Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy trade in Pepperstone. The first thing I want you to do once you're logged into Pepperstone, here on the left hand panel, click on platforms and then click on C Trader. Click on C Trader for the web and make sure you're logged into your Pepperstone account. Now if you are logged in, all you need to do here on the left hand panel, okay, as you can see our workspace has been loaded. That means we're logged in. On the left hand panel, just click here on copy and you'll see all the different strategies and people as well that you can be copied. You'll see the strategy provider here, the name of the strategy, creation, right? You'll see the funds required to start copying as well. So you choose that, you can select here account type, live, demo, ROI, you can pick that as well, and the time as well. Now, once you're happy with one of them, all you need to do is come here, click on start copying, and then you just enter your amount, right? You can see how much available we have to invest. You'll see the fees and conditions for this, right? And then once you're happy with it, you can just go ahead and start copying. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.